got this Klipsch R-120SW. Let's unbox it and see how it sounds.
Okay, this thing came in a gigantic box. It was really well packed. And it comes with a power cord and owner's manual. Okay, so let's get this thing out of the box. So it's about 18 inches deep, and you can see it has a nice wood grain finish. This is a new reference design. It has kind of a gray front panel with some copper retainer. Now here it is next to my Boston 10-inch sub, which just stopped working a while back. It's not that much bigger. So here's the R-120SW. This is a new Klipsch reference design. It has a wood grain finish on the case, and it has a gray front, and has a new design on the speaker. I was going back and forth between getting that and the 12SW, which is about $80 cheaper, but some of the reviewers said that the casing wasn't that great. Also, a few people said that the 120SW sounds better. So I turned the gain up to half, and I set the crossover to maximum. We're going to let the receiver take care of that, and I connected with an LFA in cable. Okay, so I hooked it up to my Yamaha RX V6A receiver, and I ran the YPAO setup using the mic. I have a 5.1 setup with Atmos height speakers. This room is about 15 by 20, and it calculated a -9 level for the subwoofer. Okay, let's see how this thing sounds. Holy shit! Okay, so it sounds great. There's no booming sound. I did end up turning the level up to a -3, and I think that sounds pretty good for this room. Here we go. Put a link to the R-120SW and also the R-12SW below. Now, I think you won't go wrong with either one. If you really care about the aesthetics of the case and having the latest speaker, then I would just go with the 120SW. You're going to have this a long time, so you might as well make it the best you can.
There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about home theater, Wi-Fi, and tech products.